Wow, mom's a real bitch when she wakes up in the morning.
That's a bitch right there in that window.
Yeah, a female dog. Good job, Barbie. Hey, Pris. Today's the day they're actually laying floors in our living room. They're about to start, and we're not gonna be able to walk in there. So the guy who doesn't speak English just came around and said, "Hungry," and he grabbed his bag. Currently going to eat Chinese food, and then we have to go mop a floor that we didn't mop well enough the other day. But
My bucket and everything.
before we left, we were like, should we tell him that we're leaving, the guy who doesn't speak English? So I said, here. I gave Mom my phone to translate it for him, and he was on the other side of the floor and we couldn't step on it. So we played it out loud what it said in his language, and he didn't hear it, and Brandon was like, I'm out, we're gone. So we just waved. Mom always gets 2 plates for some reason.
That was pretty cool. Everything. When they were on TV debating stuff.
A few times before this time that we came in, we met Ben Carson in this exact Chinese restaurant, and it was cool. And I wasn't vlogging at the time, but I should have. This guy looked exactly like Ben Carson. It wasn't really him, but
Talked like him everywhere.
talked like him, same teeth. It was weird. We even had to Google a picture of the real Ben Carson and then compare them side by side. We're now opening fortune cookies. Oh, this is a terrible spot to vlog. Oh my god, your video needs better spots to vlog. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, that's a great spot. Okay, right there. Open yours, hurry! We don't have all day.
Boy, she's bossy.
Always.
Always.
I don't know why. Why did I go with
I
bossy?
have no idea. Oh, just great. Get it all over my van.
We don't actually eat the cookie. You have to eat the cookie for the shit to come true, because we never eat it.
I'll just take a bite.
Your life will be happy and peaceful. Well, first of all, they need to get the grammar correct on this shit.
You cannot be anything if you want to be everything.
Oh!
Ah,
Yours was deep. Mine's great. Your life will be happy and peaceful.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
After, you know.
I don't actually want this.
Will you
the van's not started. So when we were gone for like almost 2.5 hours, we thought he'd be like halfway done, but he's only a quarter done. So it looks as if he will only be finishing our living room today. So we can't even sit and watch TV in the living room. We're gonna have to sit in our bedrooms for the rest of. We gotta wait 24 hours for the shit to dry. This is the final result for today's work. He at least should have finished to the hallway, I feel like.
He's got to start cutting along that
But
line.
this took him so many hours. Looks like,
Excuse me.
from down the hallway. That's what it looks like close up. Oh, it looks good as shit. Oh my god, we have a little tiptoe spot that we can go around for now, but tomorrow I think we'll be able to walk on this a little bit. We just made some good ass chili. I can't wait to eat this. It's only 5:51, but I might have to eat some before 8 o'clock because we only ate one time today, which was Chinese, and we did make brownies and I ate one, but it doesn't count.